It's from Love, Home, and Planet. And let me just have you take a little peek here. I'm going to step out of the way. Look at that mess. So, welcome to chaos and raising up Rentfros. So, here, let me open this. Da 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 da. Okay. So, new Love, Home, and Planet. From the hearts behind Love, Beauty, and Planet, we'd like to introduce you to Love, Home, and Planet, a new collection of home care products to give you clean, fragrant homes while giving a little love for the planet. Love that. Our products are loaded with ingredients that came from renewable sources like plant-based cleansers to keep your home smelling fresh while giving a little love to the planet. Each of our delicate scents are infused with a pure, ethically sourced essential oil or absolute. We'd love for you to get to know our lavender and argan oil dish liquid soap. Ta-da! Let's get it out of this. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, and out of this one too. No, I'm not going to say anything about the plastic packaging, but anyway, it's pretty, pretty, pretty. Love it. Let me smell. That smells really good. Okay, so every time you choose Love, Home, and Planet, you join our mission for a cleaner planet. They support environmental change makers. Want to throw your dishes a sink party? I do. The dish soap is packed with plant-based cleansers to effectively remove even stuck-on food residues. We'll see. And leave your dishes squeaky clean. I love it. So, what else do you need to know? So then it tells you how to wash your dishes, which, judging by my kitchen, looks like I need that lesson. So, not for use in automatic dishwashers. So keep this pretty little bottle on your sink. And, what else did they get? And multi-purpose cleaning wipes. Love it. It's really pretty. So normally I use my Clorox wipes, and I've tried to look up some recipes to make my own, but they failed miserably, or I forgot them underneath the counter. But at least this one's pretty to look at. So now let me give it a little sniff test. Wow. Okay, that smells really good. Yeah, that smells really good. Okay, so what else do we need to know about them? So they quickly clean counters, mirrors, tabletops, sinks, or small spills, leaving your surfaces with a fresh and delicate kiss of nature. Beautiful. All right, Influenster. Thank you so much for my box, and Love, Home, and Planet. I look forward to using your products right now as you watch me clean the kitchen. Have fun. The kitchen is officially clean. Yay! Neil's gonna be really excited when he gets home, and Mackenzie, our babysitter, is not going to gag to death, I hope, because we need her desperately. Love you guys, and I'll be back with another review if Influenster decides to grace me with another box. And stay tuned for whatever else we have going on. Bye.